First off, niggas is irrelevant, and you gon' talk that shit until I snatch the fucking soul out of it. The hype shit, ruin your life shit, fight shit, night shit, and the other eyes did. I'm like a motherfucker, ain't for the bass drum. Sounds bumping, beating to the hate drum. These niggas pop off at the fam until I pop back. Then they cry peace and shit, and see them white sheets and shit. How you gon' cook crabs if you don't like beef and shit? And you don't eat rolls, that's how it serves bullshit. Top sack like you can wear and spin that fake one. Somebody at the table at the state park. Niggas wasn't banging veterans then. And since you wasn't told, hop in the ring, veteran skin. God damn it, these niggas want that hype shit now. Well, they gon' fucking get it. Niggas gon' come and get it. I'm locked in on this too. Your friends and crumb, nigga.
Okay. Et on peut l'arrêter comme tout, public, un peu de hype, un peu comme moi, les gars. Un peu de hype autour là. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, la hype, c'est où la hype, la hype? Let's go.
Another eyes did sit. Motherfucking
La hype, elle est où les gars? La hype, là autour, les trompeurs, encouragement, pour encourager les gens qui dansent. La hype, elle est où? Vous dormez, les juges qui réclament, vous dormez. On veut de la hype.
Hype. Judges.
Délibération des juges.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1. West Love. Qui l'emporte?